Hi everyone, here we've got a HOMTOM S9 Plus, and let me share with you how to change video quality on this device. So firstly, let's enter the camera app, let's tap on it, and here we have to tap on the settings, which are here in the left corner. Now we have to tap on this camera icon actually, and at the very bottom of the list we've got the video quality, so simply tap on it, and here we've got 4 different options from which we can choose. We can set low, medium, high or fine. Right now we've got a high option applied, and you can say it because this option is marked, as you can see, but obviously you can choose from those options. Just tap on the option leg to set. So I will pick, for example, medium, and as you can see, it immediately changes. So it means that from now on your device will record videos using the chosen quality. But I really highly recommend to leave the high option applied because this is the best possible. So actually that's all. This is how to change the video quality in your HOMTOM S9 Plus. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.